Instrumental. Griffiths. Yeah. 2K15. I'm drinking peppermint tea for the better man of me. A better man than me you will never ever see. Veterans agree I am better to a degree. Go get a referee if you're claiming a penalty. I'm capable of things that'll make you remember me. I'm capable of things that'll make you a memory. Don't tempt me, my tank's never empty. I've been up in the game since the turn of the century. I got a couple kids, so I'm leaving a legacy. I'm putting out material until the death of me. I'm a legend like Heavy D, I'm ahead of you mentally. And you only pretending to be contending with me. You're sipping on Hennessy and you're losing inevitably. You'll see it eventually that your honey mentioning me. She telling you I'm proper if I wanna rock a copper. I really couldn't stop her when she gave head to me. Hey. Got my hustle on and I'm putting my music out. I'm gonna make it happen, I'm working the future out. My art and my music, they are gonna duke it out. Never you down, my haters are due south. Rappers in Toronto think this is the new South. Everything they say they put in their mouth. These lyrics are like bullets, I'm coming to shoot my mouth. Relying on crime is taking the stupid route. I'm getting rid of them and I'm taking the stupid out. Just like a bad tooth, I'ma scoop it out. Not a single cavity on a tooth in my mouth. Lots of laziness is what I used to allow. But I'm not going crazy, not losing it now. But I'm restless in my seat, moving around. So my voice is resonating right through the crowd. I move the crowd and I can't lose the crowd. The harder I work at this, the better I get at it. Lyrics are ready to fire like an automatic. I'm dreaming of a better life, and I'm gonna have it. Striking like matches, I don't think no one can match it. There are vibes in the air and I'ma tap it. People think it's magic when I turn it into cabbage. Had this feeling since I was a baby in a carriage. Coming out with new shit and it's already a classic. Taking the advantage, I'ma show you what a man is. I'ma carry all that I can manage in my hands and shit. I am hungry, I am famished, but I handle this. Better product that I brand to sample this. Dope is doing damage and the quality is high grade. People coming back again to get the shit that I make. You can call me Frank Sinatra, I do it my way. This is the end of my song, have a nice day. Mr. Griffiths, you done it again, boy. Toronto. Just brush off the dirt and watch how the guys shine. Brush off the dirt. Hard work every day. Putting out music to the death of me. Still out here in 2015.